What shape?
Circle.
Circle. How many circles can you see?
One.
And what color?
Orange.
Very good. What shape? What shape? Rectangle. What color? Color. Yeah, very good. And how many?
One.
Very good. And this one?
Triangle.
Very good. How many triangles?
Three.
Pinapin.
10. And then what color?
Green.
Green. Very good. Green and 10 triangles. What about this one?
Circle.
Small or big? Small or big? Huh? Small circle. What color? How many?
One.
One. Okay. Oh, how many circles? How many circles? Huh? Will you count? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 1
color? What color? Look, what color?
Orange.
Wow, very good. And this one, oh, so many circles. You count again.
19.
How 19? Okay. How do you know? You count 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Wow, very good. Good job. And what shape is this?
Diamond.
How many diamonds? How many?
Blue.
How many? 4, 3, 2. Oh, 4. What color?
Blue.
Yes, very good. Oh, what shape? Yes. You count how many?
8.
8. Oh, and then what color?
Pink.
Wow, pink. Wow.
Diamond green.
Oh, big diamond. Yes. How many?
Not good.
Yeah, how many? How many big diamonds? How many?
1.
Yes, very good. And then this one. What shape? What shape?
Purple.
How many circles? How many you count? How many? How many circles? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Wow, very good. What color? What color? What color?
Orange.
Orange, very good. And square. Oh, what shape? Oh,
5.
what shape? What shape? Is this? Are they circles? What shape? What shape?
No.
What shape? Circles?
No.
What shape? Triangle.
No.
What shape?
Square.
Square, very good. Oh, how many squares?
5.
What color?
Red.
Very good. Oh, what shape again? What shape again?
Purple.
How many circles?
9.
Okay, very good. And then